My name is Samesh Saswat. Welcome and congratulations. You've made a fantastic decision. Wherever you are now in your trading means nothing. Whatever experiences you've had, positive or negative, mean nothing. This course has been designed for you to get awesome results and fast. You have not only purchased this amazing course on trend following, but you have made a commitment to your success. This isn't just any ordinary course. I believe that this is the best course available. Why do I say that? Is because I've been where you are. I've been in the trenches, making losses every day, wiping out trading accounts, and I've come through it with a determination to succeed. It feels fantastic to finally be a consistently profitable trader. When you feel that feeling, you're going to be overjoyed. In fact, it feels great to have mastered any skill, especially a skill that can make you a great financial reward. So, like I said, this is the best course available on trend following. So no longer do you need to rely on the bank for a measly 0.5% interest, but you can trade, after the course you'll be able to trade your own account and hopefully make a lot more. This is the course I wish I'd purchased when I started out. This course, with a bit of work, will take you from where you are now to being a consistently profitable and disciplined trader. I'm not going to teach you a fantastic I'm not only going to teach you a fantastic strategy that is highly profitable, but also the skills you need to take any strategy. Any strategy, and make it work for you if it's viable. I'm going to teach you a system to take any strategy and make it work for you. So I've given you my best stuff, everything I know about trend following and how to make it work in the real world situation, and how I came from being a losing trader, losing all the time, to being a trader who consistently wins every single week and every single month. As far as I've seen, there's no other course like it. You will see exactly how I trade, how I buy and sell in various markets, and exactly what I do. I'll be showing you recordings of me placing the trades, setting stop losses, managing the trade, and exiting. I'll be talking you through exactly how I think while I'm doing the trade as well. I've spent an enormous amount of time, money, and effort to get this information, and I'm going to give it to you all in this course. This is a very powerful course. I'm committed to making sure that you get the most value out of this course possible. The aim of this course is to teach you the skills and the discipline you need to be a consistently profitable trader, and that's it. At the same time, you're going to grow both as a person as well as a trader. Remember, you can't learn anything without growing at the same time. Again, congratulations, you've made a fantastic decision, and enjoy the course. Okay, this course is divided into 3 different sections. Module 1, the basics and foundation. This is the basics, a foundational overview of what trend following is and how you're going to use it to make some money. We will be teaching you a basic trend following strategy. This is stage 1 of a many-stage process. These stages are designed so that anyone can learn the system. If you are new to trading, you will need to go through this module carefully and slowly. Maybe watching the videos a few times before you get the hang of it. More experienced traders may watch through these videos just once. But please note, each stage is very important. If you miss a stage, you may not get the results you're looking for, or you may not get any results whatsoever. At every stage, I'm going to be teaching you specific things that are designed to add on to your knowledge. So don't do this with an attitude that you know it all. Do it with an attitude that what I'm teaching you here is the key to your success. So focus on being open to coaching. Now, module 2 is we're going to be going into the advanced skills. This is where we take you to the next level. We will get more detailed and get into the nuts and bolts of how the advanced strategy works and how to trade it in the real world. It's more advanced, but by now you should be absorbing all the stuff like a sponge if we set your foundations correctly. After this module, you will have all the info you need to start to make a living trading stocks with the best possible edge, a fantastic mindset, and the money management skills to keep you in the game over the long term. If you're totally new to trading, then you will want to go through each section one at a time. You may want to repeat sections, start at the beginning and work your way through towards the end. Throughout this course, you will hear me repeat ideas, sometimes very often. This is because sometimes you need to hear things in different ways to really get them. Someone once said, repetition is the mother of all skills. So, module number 3. In this section, I'm going to give you information about additional resources that have made a huge difference to my trading skills and understanding. We're going to have lots of fun throughout these 3 modules. And I've also got some amazing, awesome videos to share with you. Okay, so I just want to say some thank you to some traders that have made a difference in my education and in my ability to make money through the system and my ability to be successful. So first of all, Michael Cavell. Michael Cavell runs a website called trendfollowing.com. He's also got education on there. He does a fantastic podcast which I listen to on the road called Trend Following. You can download that through iTunes. So he's a good resource for anybody who wants to take the education further than the course you're currently on. The next sort of person that I would like to thank is Jack Schrager. I think his books have really made a huge difference to me and my understanding of the markets and my understanding of the amount of different traders there are out there, the amount of money they can make, the trials and tribulations they've been through, also how many different styles of trading there are, and yeah, it's just a fantastic resource. Both these books, The Market Wizards as well as New Market Wizards, are pretty much the Bibles of trading. Mark Douglas's books created many breakthroughs for me in terms of the psychology of trading, and I was stuck in a mindset of a losing mindset, a mindset that allowed me to lose, and Mark Douglas actually helped me break through some of those challenges, some of those the thought patterns that I got myself into. So I've got a huge thank you to Mark Douglas and his book Trading in the Zone. So I suggest if you want to check out any of these people, you can just do a search on YouTube or Google. Shouldn't be any problem finding them through that resource.